Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this episode, we will be learning how to fix ADP application not working on your mobile device. No matter if you are using your iPhone or your Android device, if the ADP mobile application is not working, then we have several steps you can follow. The first step you'll need to make sure is to check your internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data connection and enable your internet on your device. Once you have a strong internet, you will be able to use your ADP application smooth. But if the problem still continues, then you can simply restart your application to solve temporary glitches. If your ADP application is not working, simply force close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your mobile device and this will bring the app card on the screen. Simply push off your app card upwards in order to close the application completely. Once you close off your app, relaunch it open and this might be able to fix your issue. If the problem still continues, you will need to update your ADP app. Outdated application will cause malfunction, so make sure you open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for ADP application. Once you get to the app preview page, look for the update button if available. If there is an update button available, tap on update to download the latest version of ADP on your mobile device. Once you have the latest version of ADP installed on your device, you might be able to fix your issue. Simply launch open the app and type in your credentials to access your account. Always make sure to verify your login credentials. Make sure you are using your correct user ID and password so that you have easy access to your account. While typing in your password, make sure you are typing in the correct one. If you are having trouble remembering your password, you can reset your password by tapping on forgot/reset password link and follow through the instructions. After you have your credentials correct, you might be able to fix your ADP application not working issue. If the above solutions didn't work, then try deleting your ADP application from your mobile device entirely. Press and hold the ADP mobile app and tap on uninstall or remove app. Tap the delete button twice and you will be able to remove or uninstall the application. Once you uninstall the application, get back to your App Store or your Play Store, reinstall it back again and see if that fixes the issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try if you're going through ADP application not working problem on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.